In this video, I'm going to just describe how to draw a vector. And it all comes from drawing an XY axis. So I have my XY axis here, and so I should label that this is my X and this is my Y. And I want to measure my 600 newtons at an angle of 30 degrees. This angle of 30 degrees is always measured from the positive x-axis, which is in this range here. This is our 0, 0, and the positive x-axis goes to the right. So we're measuring that as if this is our 0 degrees down here, and we want to measure in a counterclockwise direction. So using a protractor, I would place my protractor sitting over this XY axis, with the 0 degrees along the x-axis, and the point at the center of the protractor, which is right in there, should be placed right here, 0, 0. And when I place that there, then I want to measure off the angle of the vector, which is 30 degrees. And so approximately 30 degrees would be maybe that much. So I've measured my angle. Imagine I've grabbed my protractor, I've placed it so that it's sitting, like this. There's my protractor, and there's my 30-degree line, right? So then we also want to show the magnitude of this vector, 600 newtons. And if you're going to be drawing vectors and adding other vectors to them and trying to get a sense of the resultant by drawing them, then you want to use some scale. So you might use a scale something like 100 newtons is represented by 1 centimeter on your paper. So in this case I need to use 6 centimeters. So I would grab my ruler and draw a line starting from here that is 6 centimeters long and going through my 30-degree mark that I marked off. And so then there's my vector. This would be a 6 centimeter line representing my 600 newtons. And down in here is my 30 degrees. And that's how I draw a vector. If I'm going to add another vector to that, and let me just make this, I don't know why this didn't come out looking more like a 6, but that's a 6 there. If I want to add another vector to that, well then what I need to do is draw another little XY axis right on the tip of that vector. So right there. Give myself another 0, 0, and do the same process again, measuring from here. I'll show that in the next video, and so we're going to be adding 2 vectors graphically and algebraically in the next video. This one was really just to show you how to draw a vector. And that's all. Thank you.